Intonjane is a Xhosa rite of passage into womanhood. The ritual takes place after a girl has had her first period, symbolic of a girl's sexual maturity and ability to conceive. The term Intonjane draws inspiration from the life cycle of a stick insect, comparing the girl's maturation to the insect's transformation from larva to adult. The ritual, lasting 3 to 6 weeks, involves various events and educate girls on accepted behaviors whilst discouraging premarital sex. We also have Umemulo, which is a traditional Zulu coming of age ceremony for women. This ritual is usually done for females at the age of 21, but it can be done at any stage of a woman's life.